Hey guys, how's it going? So with the new Lion King movie coming out, I thought that I would show you guys how to draw Pumbaa from the Lion King. So I'm going to show you how to draw him as a real warthog because that's what he looks like in the new movie. So starting right here on my paper, I'm going to draw a circle for the eye, and then I'm going to leave a little space white and I'm going to color in the rest of it. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down, and I'm going to draw a little curved line underneath the eye and then a small curved line above it. Then I'm going to make another curved line above the eye like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down at an angle. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves up, comes to a point, and then is going to curve back down for a tusk. And then I'm going to draw the same thing here. I'm going to make this one a little bit taller. It's going to go up, and then it's going to come back down. Then I'm going to connect this little line. Then I'm going to bring this line down just a little bit, and I'm going to go up for the nose and then down. And then I'm going to curve this up because that's where the mouth is. And then I'm just going to bring this line down. Then right here, I'm going to draw the bottom part of the mouth. And then I'm just going to bring this line up here like this. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line right here. And then I'm going to make a line that goes around here, and then add a couple little extra lines, show some wrinkles. Then I'll add a little black oval in here for the nostril. Then I'll add another little line right here to show where the lip is. Now, up here on his head, I'm going to just kind of draw a line that just kind of curves. And then for his ears, I'm going to start right here and just draw a line that kind of curves back and then comes down like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that curves and then comes up for the ear. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up and then back down for his body. And then I'm going to curve it up and then around like this. Then I'm going to add a few curved lines in here for the neck. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And it's going to come into a leg like this. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line for a hoof that goes up. And then I'm going to bring this back around like that. Then, starting right here, I'm going to give him a big belly that curves up. And then a line that just kind of curves around for the back leg. Draw the little hoof, and then bring this up, and then connect it. Then I'm going to draw a line right here that goes at a curve like this. Going to kind of finish off the hoof here. And then I'm going to bring this around like this. Then I'll draw another line that just kind of curves around for the other leg. Then their tails are usually standing straight up. So I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then back down. And then I'm just going to draw a little shape with some fur on it like this. Now, he has lots of hair on his back. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw some lines to just kind of curve back like this for some hair. And then I'm also going to put some hair down here as well. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line on the end of each hoof. And then I'm just going to put a little line on here, on each one. I'll put one on this one. Then I'm going to add a few extra lines onto the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Pumbaa from the new Lion King movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.